Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and today's my video topic is polymorphism in Java. So this polymorphism is an ability of an object or variable or a function to take on the multiple forms. This polymorphism occurs when there are more than one classes or object which are related to each other by the concept of inheritance. There are total two types of polymorphism. First is a compile time polymorphism and second is a runtime polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism is achieved by method overloading. This method overloading means when one class has multiple methods with the same name but different parameters or different types of parameters, then it is known as a method overloading. For example, if we created one class for the addition of two values as method A, then again we created one more class, one more method which performs the addition of three integer values. And we named as a method B. So instead of naming it as a method A and method B, we can and both the methods are performing the same type of task. So we can name them same as add method. Then first method will be add method with two parameters, and the second method will be add with the three parameters. So this is the concept of method overloading. There are one more way to achieve this method overloading, that is by changing the data types. If we have two addition methods and both are taking the two parameters, then one method will take only integer type of data and other will take the double or float data. In this way the method overloading can be a possible. Now the important point is we can also overload the main method, but the JVM will identify only that method as a primary, which method will contain the string args as its input parameters. Then the second time is a runtime polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. Now, if two or more class, if a subclass have the same method name and same parameters as like of parent class, then it is known as the method overriding. Now let's see the example of this method overriding. For example, we created one parent class as a bike and one child class as a pulsar. Now this both parent class and child class have the same method as a run method. The bike class run method displays like speeding at 60 kilometer per hour, and the pulsar class run method display output as the running at 100 kilometer per hour. Now suppose we create a object or a reference of a parent class and it is referring to the child class, like bike object is equal to new pulsar, and through this object we call for the run method. Then at that time the run method of a child class, that is pulsar class, will be invoked and the output will be the running at 100 kilometers per hour. But that's not with the case with the data members. Let's say the bike class has the data member as int speed is equal to 50, and the pulsar class, that is child class, has the data member as int speed is equal to 100, and through this object we call for the speed, like object dot speed. So in this scenario, instead of output will be the 60 or 100, the output will be 50, which is the value of the parent class. Also, the method overriding is not possible to the main method because it is a static method. And that's it with the polymorphism in Java. Thank you.